This time around, let's look at differences between plant cell and animal cell. The first question, based on this subtopic, which of these features is not present in both plant and animal cells? Golgi body, that's A. B, ribosomes. C, nucleus. And D, central. Golgi body is present in every cell, used for secretion, packaging, and transporting of synthesized material. Ribosome is present in every cell, attached mostly to endoplasmic reticulum, responsible for protein synthesis in the cell. The nucleus is a dense area of the nucleus where ribonucleic acids are being produced. Then D, central, which controls cell division only in animal cell. So D is the one that is not present in both plant and animal cell. Answer is D. Number 2. Which of the following functions cannot be performed by all cells? A, holophytic nutrition. B, aerobic respiration. C, growth. And D, irritability. Let's start from D. Irritability is ability to respond to stimulus. In other words, to feel. You can see plants reacting to sunlight and so on. There's even a sensitive plant, when you touch it, it will fold the leaves. Growth. Both plants and animals, they grow. Respiration, yes. Every living thing carry out respiration. This is respiration involving oxygen. Now, A, holophytic nutrition. This adjective makes it unique. Holophytic, that is feeding on self-made food. And it's only plants can carry out this type of feeding. So, animal carries out what we call holozoic feeding, not holophytic. So the answer to this question, which of the following functions cannot be performed by all cells, is A. Number 3. Which of these paired organelles clearly differentiate a plant cell from an animal cell? A, plasma lemma and large vacuole. B, cell membrane and pellicle. C, cell wall and vacuole. And D, chloroplast and cell wall. Now, we are seeing a question that one has to be careful, otherwise you will mix it up. What makes one better than the other? Plasma lemma is the same thing as cell membrane. When they occur in unicellular organism, they may refer to it as pellicle. So, here we are saying cell membrane or plasma lemma and large vacuole makes a difference. No. Even plant cell has cell membrane. Animal cell has cell membrane. So A cannot be the answer. No, the same thing goes for number B. Cell membrane cannot make a difference. It could have been animal, but we see some algae having pellicle, like we see in Euglena. So it makes this would have been sounding the correct one. But we will also see that cell membrane is present in both cells, in both animal cell and plant cell. This is also cell membrane found in unicellular organisms like Euglena, Paramecium. So B does not answer our question. C, cell wall and vacuum. Take note, here they say vacuum. Look at A, large vacuum. A uninformed child will jump to C as the answer. But remember, this vacuum is not qualified. So you don't know whether it's large vacuum they're talking about or small vacuum. So that will take you to D. D, chloroplast and cell wall. Chloroplast is a feature in a plant cell. Cell wall is also a feature in a plant cell. So D answers our question. Now go to number 4. Number 4 is more or less a deviation from the difference between plant cell and animal cell. But let's take it how they say. Monera and protists differ in that we want to bring out the difference between the monera and protists. A. Monera represents true cells. B. Monera have more complex cytoplasm. We are comparing than protists. That's what they are trying to say. Number C. Monera are all photosynthetic organisms, unlike protists. Then D. Monera are aquatic organisms. It's very simple if you know what moneras are. The moneras are viruses, bacteria, algae, and so on. Now, why protists? We have euglena, chlamydomonas, and so on. Then we have amoeba, we have paramecium. This form the protist. Now, we want to bring out their difference now. Is it true? Because they use monera to bring out the difference. So you look at it very well. Monera represents true cell. How true is that statement? You cannot assert that. So we come to B. Monera have more complex cytoplasm. Why? Then number C. Monera are all photosynthetic. When you ask yourself, is virus photosynthetic? Answer is no. So C is gone. D. Moneras are aquatic organisms. Is in every monera that are found in the water? Answer is no. So you knock out D, C, knock out, and then we are left with B and A and B. But you can explain B, you cannot explain A. Look at B. Monera have more complex cytoplasm. Why is it more complex? Because the nuclear material are included in the cytoplasm. So they mix up the cytoplasm. So it is true that monera have more complex cytoplasm. Answer is B. Let's look at number 5. A cell in the body of mammal contains oil droplets. Such a cell will have been from where in the body? A. Skin. B. Liver. C. Brain. D. Muscles. Answer is A. Because inside the skin you have sebaceous glands that secrete oil. But we know that lipid in animal cell is stored as fat. So it's only in the skin you have sebaceous gland that produces oil. Number 6. Which of these features does not show that euglena is an animal cell? Pellicle, I've told you earlier that it is the cell membrane. B. Gullet. In us, we have either we call it gullet or esophagus. C. Paramylon. And D. Contractile vacuum for excreting waste and regulating the amount of water in the body, just as our kidney is carrying away. Now, C is known as animals algal starch. So this is starch. So the only answer that makes euglena not to look like an animal is presence of starch, which is paramylon. Answer is C. Number 7. Which of the following organelles does not preclude that chlamydomonas is a plant cell? We have eye spot that is sensitive to light. We have paramylon, a protein body that stores starch. C, chloroplast for photosynthesis. And D, cell wall. Looking at all the options, this is a plant feature. This is a plant feature. These are algae feature. This is only in the algae cell you find paramylon storing starch. Then eye spot, that's making it sensitive to light as that of animals. So it is eye spot that is showing that euglena is not a plant cell. So answer is A. Number 8. Paramecium shows a remarkable difference between euglena by not having gullet, pellicle, trachocyst, and chloroplast. If you look at the diagram of paramecium and euglena, both of them have gullet. Pellicle is their cell membrane. Trachocyst is present in paramecium. It's not present in euglena. Okay? Chloroplast is a characteristic of euglena, not paramecium. But they are saying paramecium showing a remarkable difference from euglena by not having what? It has this one, but doesn't have this one. So answer is D.